Hey there, future rock stars. Feeling nervous about your first job interview? Don't stress. Today, we are going to break down how to prepare like a pro and avoid those common rookie mistakes that can ruin your chances. Whether you're about to land your first job, internship, or just want to improve your skills, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. Before we get into how to's, let's talk mindset. A big mistake many beginners make is thinking of the interview as a test. It's not a test, it's a conversation. It's your chance to show the company why you are the best fit for the job. A lot of people freeze up and feel like they have got to get everything right. Wrong. What you want is a conversation where you share your skills and enthusiasm. Here's a pro tip for you. Go in with confidence. Even if you're nervous, walk in with a smile and remember that you are valuable. They have invited you to the interview for a reason. Here's tip number one, research. And no, I'm not talking about a quick Google research of the company. I'm talking deep research. Understanding the company culture, their values, their mission. This stuff is crucial. Look up their website, check their social media, and read reviews on Glassdoor. Get the insider scoop on the company environment and what's been going on with the company lately. If you don't know about the company, it's going to show, and that's a huge mistake. Imagine being asked, "Why do you want to work here?" and answering, "I'm not really sure, but I need a job." How to do it right? Show them you have done your homework. Talk about their product, their mission, and how your skills align with what they are doing. This shows initiative and enthusiasm. Alright, let's get to the fun part, the common interview questions. If you're not ready for these, you're going to struggle. The first biggie, tell me about yourself. Sounds easy, right? But most people make the mistake of rambling on with personal details that aren't relevant. Talking about your childhood, pets, or what you ate for breakfast isn't going to help you get hired. Stay focused. How to do it right? Keep it concise. Focus on your professional background and how it relates to the job. You want to show that you're qualified, excited, and ready to make an impact. Next, why do you want to work here? It's a question that trips people up all the time. Here's the mistake most people make, answering with a vague or self centered response. That's the worst answer you could give. You're basically telling them that they are just another paycheck to you, not a great impression. How to do it right? Talk about the company's values, their work culture, and why you want to be a part of it. Maybe you admire their innovations or you are excited about the opportunity to grow in the role. Make it clear that you are interested in the company, not just the paycheck. And finally, what are your strengths and weaknesses? One big mistake people make here is saying they have no weaknesses or giving an answer like, "I am a perfectionist." "I am a perfectionist" is a lazy way out. It's a red flag. Companies want you to be self aware and they want to know you're working on improving. Here's how to do it right. For strengths, pick something specific and relevant to the role. For weakness, be honest but show you're working to improve. For example, I used to struggle with time management, but I've started using tools like Trello and setting deadlines for myself, and it's really helped. Now let's talk about the outfit. Dress the part. I see people make the mistakes of either overdoing it or underdoing it. If you show up in a suit for a casual startup job, or if you show up in a hoodie for a corporate gig, you're sending the wrong message. How to do it right? Dress one step above the company's dress code. For a corporate job, wear a suit. For a startup, smart casuals work. No need to overdo it. But make sure your clothes are clean, ironed, and well fitted. Next, let's talk about body language. Many beginners make the mistake of slouching, avoiding eye contact, or crossing their arms. These things make you look unsure and closed off. Bad body language, not making eye contact, slouching, or playing with your hair. These all send the message that you are unprepared or uninterested. How to do it right? Stand tall, smile, offer a firm handshake, and make eye contact. Avoid crossing your arms and keep your hands relaxed. Now, a big mistake that so many beginners make is not having questions prepared. If they ask, "Do you have any questions for us?" and you say, "No," that's a red flag. How to do it right? Have 2 to 3 thoughtful questions ready. Ask about the team's dynamics, people culture, or future projects. It shows you're thinking ahead and you're truly interested in the role. Alright, let's recap the key mistakes and how to avoid them. Research the company thoroughly. Avoid vague or lazy answers. Dress appropriately for the company culture. Be mindful of your body language. Always have questions ready. Preparation is everything, and if you avoid these common mistakes, you'll be in a much better position to succeed. Now go in there, be yourself, and own that interview. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips on acing your interviews and landing your dream job. You have got this.